Welcome to Java Forum. This video we are going to see how to get the CPU information, CPU count, uh, processor name using the default Python libraries. That is, externally we did not install any Python module. So first I am opening the idle. Here I am going to import three modules which is already available in Python. Import multiprocessing, import OS, import platform. So first I am going to get the system name, that is a platform name. So Windows platform.system will give you the operating system name. Next platform.processor, which will print the Intel processor name. Whatever the process you are using, that processor name will get printed. Next CPU count, os.cpu underscore count will give you the number of CPU cores. So let us check whether it's displaying correctly. So you can check the CPU core count by using the task manager. So here you can see that CPU core, we have 4 core processor. Next I am going to print the CPU count using multiprocessing module. Multiprocessing.cpu underscore count also gives you the CPU core count. So this multiprocessing OS platform or the libraries already available in Python. No need to install anything from external source.